Hello, I am Diana Regular, and here's an experiment of checking the porosity and permeability of two household substances. On the left, I chose alba pasta, and on the right, I chose Cheerios. What I think will have the higher rate of porosity is probably the Cheerios, since I have many holes in them. On the other hand, what I think will have the higher rate of permeability is probably the alba pasta. Although it has two holes, I feel water would get through it faster. I have here a cup of water. I'm going to pour half a cup of water into each glass, which both have a cup of substance. So after the experiment, both of them had a high rate of permeability. Both of the water sank down quite quick. And for the porosity, I think Cheerios had the higher rate. Since you could tell from the bubbles, there's a lot more water try to go inside through the holes of the Cheerios. So look at the glass full of Cheerios. Where all the bubbles lie, it's the water table. The Cheerios is aquifer. The top part of the Cheerios was filled with air and no water is a zone of aeration. And the bottom layer with the Cheerios full of water is a zone of saturation. Here is the pasta. The pasta is aquifer. And the top part of the pasta with no water is the zone of aeration. And the bottom part full of water is a zone of saturation. And the line between it is the water table. That's all for my science experiment. Thanks for watching.